Stop scrolling if you remember the smell of fresh cardboard and the sound of a plastic slammer. We're bringing back the legend, Pogman. I found this old footage in the archives and knew it needed a remix. We're using the LaserPecker to etch the surfing icon into birchwood. No cardboard here, this is built to last. Look at those lines. The Maillard style burn is hitting perfectly today. Pogman was the king of the schoolyard, and honestly, he still looks radical 30 years later. Remixing old projects is all about seeing how far the tech has come. There he is. From a 90s milk cap to a premium wooden coaster. This is the ultimate hit of nostalgia for your coffee table. Was your favorite Pog a holographic or a slammer? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to sub for more retro burns.